How to remove best friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove best friends from Snapchat. So first of all, let me open Snapchat. After that, go to the chat. And then if you want to view your best friends, you'll have to go to your profile. After that, scroll down and then tap on the option My Friends. Now you can see that under best friends you will see the list of all of the different best friends on Snapchat. So now let's say you want to remove someone from your best friends list on Snapchat. So what you'll have to do is simply tap on their name or their profile and then tap on these three dots right over here. After that, tap on the option Manage Friendship. And now if you want to remove best friends from Snapchat, all you have to do is either block them or remove them as a friend. Now this will not only remove best friends from Snapchat, but this will ultimately remove them as a friend as well. So that was currently the only way on how you can remove best friends from Snapchat. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.